Hello, I am Vaibhav Bajaj, SYBBA, roll number 14, section A. So this is the assignment 3 of banking, finance, insurance services. The topic is 3 products which are offered in retail banking. So the 3 products which I am going to talk about is credit cards, debit cards and ATM. So credit card, we'll talk about credit card first. It is a postpaid or a pay later card that draws from a credit line money made available by the card issuer, which is the bank, and they give the grace period to pay the money back. If the amount is not paid back by the end of that grace period, then they charge the interest on that period. It is a credit card is nothing. It is a kind of a smart card which has which may have a photo of yours, or it has a digital signature. It has a CVV at the back and it has a card number. This credit card can be used for online shoppings and it can also be used on the point of sales machines. So the in this, it authorizes the holder to charge the goods and services to his account, and which is billed, and the bank receives the bill from the merchants and pay on the behalf of cardholder. And when the period ends, the cardholder has to pay it back to the bank. The major credit card companies in the market are SBI, Bank of Baroda, and currently in India there are about 10 million credit cards. And second, we'll talk about the debit cards. Like credit card was a postpaid card, debit card is actually a prepaid card. Like that, debit card is linked to a bank account. So the money directly cuts from the bank account itself. Like in credit card, you had to pay the money back at the end of the period. In debit card, it is not at all needed because the money is actually going from your bank account. It has a pin, and so it is safe. And every time a person uses the card, the merchant in turn gets the money transferred to his account from the bank of the buyers by debiting the exact amount of the purchase. There is no grace period required in it, and there may be some kind of transaction fees. And the benefit of this is that we don't have to keep a checkbook with us every time. We can directly access our bank account. The third one is the ATM, which is automated teller machines. These are currently becoming popular in India because these are an automated teller machine. Like it is a kiosk kind of a thing which can work for 24 hours a day, 365 days. We can do everything in this, like transfer money, to view our account information. We can withdraw cash as well. We can order cash as well. Advantages for ATM to the customer is that it is very quick and efficient. It has a 24/7 service. There is privacy, there is wider flexibility, and also the transaction is secure because you have to enter your PIN. The advantages to bank as well is that they don't have to have much of the maintenance cost of their bank branches. Also, in time of this pandemic, it really helps a lot. Also, they have alternated to extend the banking hours, and there is increased amount of market penetration, and the bank employees can now focus on more of the analytical and innovative works. These ATMs can be installed everywhere, like in airports, railway stations, etc. So that's it.